Alright guys, in this video I'll be talking about Asia session, New York session and London session. So let's get right into it. Personally, I don't really use sessions, but I look at it from opening. So as you might have seen in my previous video, I said that when we have, for example, like right here we have London open, and when London open starts with move down, this low will be inducement and this high will be also inducement. So then we can expect something like this, substructural high created, and we can target the London open low right here. So every time when you trade in these opening, you want to wait for sweep of the low or of the high. So this will be London open to the upside. So we want to see sweep of this high or sweep of this low, and once one side is gone, you can look for buys towards the other side right here. So this is the only thing that I'm really using, and I'm also using Asia session. You might have seen it many times in my videos. So we got Asia build up, and we need to see IPA below or IPA above the Asia buildup. So this is my entry model. It's happening every single week. So we got this BOS inducement price taps into this IPA, gives us substructure low, boom, we can target Asia high, or we can target this high right here that created the fake BOS, because we got sellers right here. So this will be our target, this high right here. Yeah, so this is Asia whipsaw that I'm using. There is like 10 other cycles for this, but I'm using only this one just to keep it simple. And also we got Asia manipulation. So for example, we got Asia build up right here, then Asia sweeps some major liquidity on the left. Most likely the London will continue the move for the next liquidity point. So let's say for example we got here previous day high or session high or substructural high, some major liquidity point, and when Asia sweeps this liquidity point and goes lower, we can expect London continue the move to the downside. In this example, if we got it to the upside, we can expect this type of entry model right here. Let's go back and let's see some examples. Alright, so right here, as you can see, Asia swept this New York build-up, New York high, London low. Every session highs and lows are also liquidity points where we can look for some kind of reversal. So we swept New York high from previous day, so this could be our reversal point. Asia swept the high, continue slower, so London will most likely continue the Asia move to the downside. Yeah, there is. And where it goes for the next liquidity point, which would be this liquidity right here. And after this liquidity is taken, you can switch to 1 minute and wait for our entry model. So this will be our fake BOS inducement. We got the area of fill-in right here. This will be substructural high, low, and this could be our entry right here. And what is the target? Target would be next liquidity point, which is on a 5 minute. Fake BOS should be this at minimum, should be free risk reward. Yeah, this at minimum. And also if you look at this whole push, this is the substructural high on like 15 minute. This is the main high. So the next liquidity points are current high, substructural high, and external high on hard time frame, because on hard time frame this would be one push, and this would be fake BOS, inducement, low time frame confirmation, boom. So this is how I see sessions. If we got Asia sweep, Asia manipulation, right, like this, you can expect London continue the move, then we sweep some major liquidity point on the left, and after sweep of the major liquidity point on the left, we will target this whole London build-up and these liquidity points right here. So this is how I trade Asia manipulation, and right here I'll go over Asia whipsaw. Alright, so this is example for Asia whipsaw, and it's really simple. We got Asia build-up, then we sweep one side and we go for another side. So this is happening when Asia is doing nothing, and also when the whipsaw happens before London open. Because let's say for example we got Asia build up right here, and then something like this, and London open starts right here. We know that London open or every other session opening is liquidity, so this high will become liquidity, this low bit will also become liquidity, so we can expect sweep of this and go for this open, wait for confirmation, we can then target the other side. But if we get, as I said, London open after Asia like this, we need to target the other opposite side of London. We cannot target the Asia low or Asia highs. Always need to target the London open. So right here you can see the same thing. We got Asia build up, boom, we swept the high, went for the low. Simple. And if you miss this trade, you can enter fake BOS, inducement. We got possible sell right here. Then you missed this one as well. We got fake BOS, we got inducement. So we should go down from here. Yeah, beautiful. So this is Asia whipsaw. I can go over a few more examples. So right here we got Asia high, Asia low. We swept the Asia high with London open. So personally I would just target this low only at the moment, because I wouldn't be trusting this high right here. So if I get into sells right here, I can see that there is clean fake BOS, inducement, there is sell right here. On lower time frame this would be clean, so I'll be targeting this for like 7 risk reward, and yeah, that's it. That was possible another re-entry, but as I said, personally I wouldn't be entering here because we got London open, and we know that London open needs to be taken out, so the target would be London open on the other side. You don't want to be holding till the Asia low. Now I'm saying we need to see big win rate and not big risk reward. Right here as well. We got Asia high, Asia low, swept the Asia high, went for Asia low, and big BOS inducement, boom. Let's go for another example. It's happening a lot actually. Right here. We have Asia sweep. No. We swept this liquidity by Asia on the left. So this was major liquidity point. This was the last low. So we got fake BOS inducement, smart money trap right here, and then boom. Let's go right here. Again, we got swept of Asia right here, and we targeted the Asia high right before London open. Right here we swept Asia low, we swept hold on, let me go into 1 minute. So right here what happened? Alright, so London open. So there was clean entry right here. And while we stopped right here, IPA, and after London open broke this low, but we never came for this high, so I wouldn't be selling it right here. I would want to see something like this, sweep of London low, inducement entry model, and can sell towards this IPA, but it never happened, so I would just take partials at this level with this IPA, because look left, everything right here is mitigated, it's all order flow already, and this is the order flow cutoff, so this high would be some kind of POI, and always liquidity is more powerful than sessions. Sessions are just another confluence like 90-minute cycle, but the main confluence for your trades should be liquidity and IPA. Right here we swept this build up, we tapped into IPA, came for this order flow, and we went lower from here. So I would definitely take partials right here, and then if something like this happened, I will look for re-entry right here, but we swept the low, so yeah, happens. We always need to see liquidity and IPA before sessions, 90-minute cycles, and stuff like that. So let's see if we got any good examples right here. Yeah, this one was beautiful. So right here, all this. What? Yeah. So right here we got. Hold on, where is Asia? Asia stopped right here. So this is Asia low. And where is IPA on the left? We got IPA right here. So we're gonna switch to 1 minute. Was it here? Hold on. Yeah, right here. So we're gonna switch to 1 minute and wait what will happen. So we swept the Asia low. We got fake BOS. We got inducement. Inducement. We filled the IPA. So now what we need to see? We need to see substructural low being created and IPA below it. This will be our entry point, and we can target the Asia high, or if we get London open before that, we just have to target the next liquidity point. So this will be substructural low created right here. We got IPA right here. We got IPA right here. You can either choose one of these like this and sell, and yeah, 700. This will be London open, so we will most likely only be targeting the high right here, because as we know, London open is, I would classify this as this whole push to the downside as London open. So this high is inducement, and also hold on, yeah, this low will be inducement. So you can target the recent high, like this and take heavy partials, because we can expect price come here, sweep the London Open, and then give us our entry confirmation model. Yeah, right here I would say heavy partials and probably just take full profit after this BOS right here, because this would be a BOS, this would be inducement, and market will probably just sell off from here. Yeah, going down from here, targeting London Open, and yeah, we took the London Open, we swept this low right here, we got this IPA, this is breaker liquidity. It didn't create this substructure low, so I wouldn't be entering here, but just quick example. Yeah, beautiful. You can, by the way, you can use these waves as your substructural lows and highs, but I don't use it. I want to see clean structural point on 1 minute. So this is just example on how I use sessions. So if you get Asia manipulation, sweeping something on the left, most likely London will continue the move to the downside. And if we get Asia whipsaw, so Asia doing nothing, IPA above, boom, entry model, target Asia low. If we don't get London Open like this, if we get London Open like this, I will only target this London Open low and be careful around this London Open high, because the market can do something like this, sweep the London Open high, and then give us confirmation for sells towards the Asia high. So this is just confluence. This is not my main entry model. You need to see liquidity, IPA, substructure low being created or high, and then you can look for entering the market. So this was everything for sessions, and see you at the